So guys, we found the right place. I think I'll show you now. There is a river, Dnipro River. So like bay of the Dnipro River. The main part of this river is situated 700 meters from me, and we are stay here in order to relax. Behind me, my friends, there is Antonio.
Hello guys.
Yeah, and
Hello guys,
Serge.
I'm glad to see you again.
Yeah,
We want to set up the hammock, I don't know in
yeah.
English
Now,
what is it.
now
It's
I
a place when you are gonna spend the whole night. There are a lot of mosquitoes, so there is a mosquitoes net. I hope it will help my body from the bites.
It's a special tool for relaxing, and we need to tie one part in that tree
Where
and
are you
another
gonna
part in
sleep?
another tree. Yeah, maybe the tree will fall. Fell
no
down.
way. I don't want to do it.
Antonio, what do you want to add?
I think nothing.
What is going on? А ну покажи.
It's
What
our
is-
first try.
It's our first try, yeah. It's like back sleeping, yeah, back sleeping,
Yes.
back sleeping,
Sleeping
something,
bag?
sleeping back sleeping, something like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I'm trying to lay on the air.
Yeah, picturesque place, really picturesque place.
It's a special bag for water if you'd like to drink. Hop.
Oh, it's special place, yeah.
Not bad.
Точно держишь? Yeah. Now we plan to break our firewood in order to make a fire, because we are so hungry. Я могу не чистить.
Нет, не чисто.
Давай не чистить. Firstly, we need to add the carrots. Carrots is a crucial ingredient in our fish soup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to add potato. Salt a little bit later. Yeah. So hot. 6 potatoes for 3 person. It will be enough, I think so. Guys, we have to wait just 20 minutes and after that we should add our spices and fish. We have to cut onion, not cut down, just cut like this one. 1, 2, 3. That's all. After 10 minutes we need to add our fish, salt and spices. We are going what?
Peel.
Kill the fish?
Peel, чисти.
Peel. Peel the fish.
Peel the fish.
I thought about killing.
It's a big cut.
It's a cotton. It's Antonio's coat.
Yes.
See?
Oh, look at this.
Look at this. What is it?
Look at this. What is this?
Fish.
Oh, it's красноперый. It's red flipper, I
I
think.
think this is
This-
wow.
This is like so tasty, delicious fish
Yes.
for our soup. Not soap, just soup. And what else? What do we have else?
Red flipper.
Red flipper, yeah. Look at this, yeah. I wanna show you how I peel this fish. It's so huge, yeah. I'm kidding now.
Fortunately, it's not the huge enough.
Yeah, I am kidding.
Because I don't want to tie it because of peeling this fucking fish.
And now the main process, like that. We need to cut this belly, fish's belly, and take this shit. What is going on?
Почисти пальцем.
We have to clean our fish, yeah? We have to clean fish's belly, yeah? Guys,
Сколько, да? Или ты уже кидал?
позже. We've also already caught the red fish. We need to add to our common fish, and it will be so good for us, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 2 ordinary fish. It's a special spice for fish soup. I can add only on my eye, without certain amount. Ooh. In English, please. Yeah.
I think it's enough amount of pepper.
Okay, our soup is boiling now, and we have to wait only 10 minutes. Our soup almost cooked. I need to add something special like this wood, this fired wood, into this soup. It will be good. Yeah. Enough. It's for taste. It's only for taste. Our meal is already prepared. We will try it. Yeah. I am starving now. It's good. But we have to wait maybe 20 or 30 minutes, and after that we will eat it. Yeah, because our soup have to take all of these ingredients in order to be more delicious, more tasty. So I wanna take this toast to our company, to our vacation, to us, and to you who in front of me, who outside owned my camera. What is it? This is fat.
Fat.
This is lirt. Seryo, what is this? This is a fat
Yes.
or lirt?
Pig fat.
Pig. Okay, pig fat. We need to this one put to potatoes.
Inside the potato.
Inside the potatoes, yes. And this one. And after that,
Жирненькая херня. Я думал,
Yeah.
один кусок на целую картошку.
it's so tasty. Так подгадывать.
О, блин. Foil.
And covered by foil. Yeah. Put this one and this one, and after that we have to cover our potatoes. Like this.
I have been working the whole fucking day. I like to eat my prepared food like the food for soldiers, but Eugene said that we should prepare by ourselves.
More natural food, yeah.
Yeah, Eugene is a blogger. We are not.
We just want to
We are not prepared for
we
that
just want to
tough
eat
work.
without working.
Eugene wants to. Як там
So guys, by the way,
Знімати на камеру.
by the way, this
Shooting.
is a different kind of fat.
Yeah. But it will be.
Why?
It's
It's
mine.
the
It's
It will
no,
be
no.
tasty as well.
It's mine fat, not mine. It's pig's fat. After that, we have this one, our potato. But Antonio said that we have to wait 1 hour, and I said that we have to wait 25 minutes, and I was right, because this potato extra prepared.
Зульфия, мой халат, гладит по доске, шьет кули, а Фатима штопает носки. Если б я был султан, я б имел 3 жен, и тройной красотой был бы окружен. Но с другой стороны, при таких делах, столько жен и забот, ах, спаси Аллах. Неплохо очень иметь 3 жены, но очень плохо с другой стороны.